Hello everybody, Jean back with more Mars anomalies. Hope you're all doing well. Large solitary structures on plains east of InSight lander on Mars. This photograph was taken by the MRO in the Cerberus Fossae region of Elysium Planitia. And this is an article from Wikipedia. I'll include the link to this below. The area we're going to be analyzing is speculated to have mega flooding, and to quote from the Wikipedia article, Athabasca valleys showing the flow direction of what are interpreted by some researchers to be floodwater related morphologies, note streamlined islands which show direction of flow to southwest. And this is a close-up of that diagram showing Cerberus Fossae, which is in the Elysium Planitia region of Mars, close to the InSight lander and Curiosity rover. And researchers speculate that mega flooding originated from these cracks in this region flowing down to the southwest. The anomalies we'll be checking out are located within one of these cracks. So the photograph from the high-rise called Cerberus Fossae Wind Streak was acquired on the 14th of January 2019, and as always I'll include a link to this page below in the description. This photograph was taken at a resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel, and I'll be showing you anomalies are cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, as well as the merged RGB color strip. This is a crop from the low-res black and white JPEG showing the crack from which researchers speculate water flowed down to the southwest into Elysium Planitia. And the anomalies we'll be checking out are in this area of the photograph. The merged RGB color strip. There's a crop from the low-res JPEG as well. And again we've got this blue color that NASA's added to this photograph. And once again, could this be depicting liquid or water in this region of Mars? I speculate NASA and JPL are after more evidence of liquid water and even possibly signs of current life on Mars, but that's only my take on the whole situation. Taken in this region of Mars, the high-rise photograph we'll be analyzing is in this part, but it is a very recent photograph, so it hasn't been added yet. But you can see from the geology, this is a really smooth, flat terrain, and the streaks that the researchers are referring to, you can see some of the lines in the Martian surface going in that direction as well. And is it possible that mega flooding did occur in this region? This is also where my friend and I, Saturn Arc, discovered what we speculate might be remnants of horseshoe crab type creatures, but I'll show you that towards the end of the video. And here's a zoomed out view of the two anomalies we'll be checking out, not to scale. There we've got a block structure over there and a circular dome-like saucer-shaped object over here. Two rather huge objects and nothing else like it in this entire region. As I say, two solitary objects. There's the first one, looks like two interlocking blocks that have moved apart, and these measure about 20 by 50 meters, and up close you can see what looks like a part that's been cut with right angles over here, and then this piece lying to the top. Looks almost as if they were interlocking at some stage. Got straight edges to these, and plenty of right angles to those parts as well. And then that strange saucer-shaped dome. Not quite sure what to make of this either. It's not a typical boulder or rock. We've got a disc shape to it, partially buried in sand on the left over here. And this thing's about 20 meters in diameter. And a close-up view shows very irregular parts to it on the right-hand side. Also got right angles to some of these as well. Could this have been some type of craft? Maybe a circular structure, partially raised on this side over here. And then from the color strip, the section of Mars showing this blue shade. And again, could this be signs of water or liquid present on Mars? So let's take a look at these anomalies and some others in the region in Google Earth Mars. And we head on over to InSight Lander and rover Curiosity. So this is the region we'll be analyzing. Just for reference, let's zoom out a bit. InSight Lander is located here, and Curiosity there near Mount Sharp. Let's have a look at some of the other anomalies I discovered in this region. Got that classic UFO shape with a dome on top, pyramidal structures partially buried, and these dark streaks that look like water seeping up through the surface, running down the gullies and slopes. More megalithic blocks interlocking and tightly packed together. These are some of the more pristine blocks that I've found so far. Check out that triangular side there. Smooth surface to it, slightly eroded. Strange circular hole. Some more blocks. And more water streaks. Here's another one of these strange objects as featured in my previous video, where the anomalies in Terra Chimeria. Check out this piece, also has a little vent or opening there in the center. More blocks, water streaks. And this is the region in which my friend Saturn Arc and I speculate there might be remnants of these giant horseshoe crabs. So do check out that video too. Just to have a look at some more anomalies quickly, some more huge blocks. Let's return to the area under investigation here. And switch on the CTX mosaic to get a view of the topography. And as I say, the region does look rather smooth and featureless except for these cracks over here. And then smaller little islands showing these direction flows. The anomalies we looked at are located in this part. Thank you for watching. I hope it was informative and interesting. And as always, I'll be back with more, having a look at Moon and Mars anomalies. So I'll see you all on the flip side. Keep well, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye for now.